Now at the vaccine. A vaccine is a special kind of medicine which provide immunity against a particular disease. Vaccine, it is also made up of microorganism. With the help of microorganism, the scientists make the vaccine. It is a special kind of medicine in which the vaccine are given to healthy persons so that they may not get certain, means a particular disease throughout the life. By giving vaccine is of particular disease, and after taking vaccine there is no chances of particular disease all over the life of the person. Working on vaccine, when a disease carrying microbes enters our body, in antibiotic I told you about that. What is the function of antibiotic? The antibiotic kill the growth of the disease causing microorganism. They are antibiotics. Just like vaccine, when a disease carrying microbes enters in our body, the body produces antibodies to fight the invader. This is a generally function of the body, that whenever any disease causing microbes enters in our body produces antibodies to fight that type of particular microbes, disease causing microbes, while the antibodies destroy the weakened microbes that remain in the blood to fight and other attacked by such disease causing microbes. Now come on the children. Children are more sensitive. It is essential to protect all children from harmful microbes like tuberculosis, smallpox, cholera, polio, whooping cough, tetanus and influenza. So these type of disease which infect the children first. So the practice of introduction of vaccine into the body is called vaccination. So to inject the vaccine of these particular disease to the infant, to the children in their earliest age, this process is known as vaccination. Nowadays all necessary vaccine are available in the nearby hospital and health center. Under the pulse polio program, polio drops are also given to the children. Okay. Now, Louis Pasteur was a French biologist, chemist and microbiologist. In 1857, he discovered the fermentation process. Fermentation process is what? The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol. This process is known as fermentation process. In 1929, Alexander Fleming discovered the first antibiotic, that is penicillin. Now in 1978, Edward Jenner was an English physician and scientist. He discovered the first vaccine for smallpox. Whenever the question will arise that who discovered the first vaccine for smallpox, that is Edward Jenner. Who discovered antibiotic penicillin? Alexander Fleming. Louis Pasteur was a French biologist, chemist and microbiologist who discovered the fermentation process, that is playing by yeast, increasing soil fertility by fixing nitrogen. There are some microorganisms present in the soil. In the last two videos I told you about that there are some types of microorganisms which are present in the root nodules of the leguminous plant. They convert the atmospheric nitrogen into their compound like nitrates, nitrites. There are some microorganisms present in the soil that can fix nitrogen gas from the atmosphere to form nitrogen compound. These nitrogen compound mix with the soil to increase the fertility of the soil, and after mixing the nitrogen compound, that atmospheric nitrogen are converting in nitrogen compound by the microorganism, and these nitrogen compound mix with the soil and they increase the fertility of the soil. These microbes are commonly known as biological nitrogen fixers. The example of these microorganisms are the blue-green algae can fix the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogen compound in the soil. Second, the symbiotic bacteria, they are living on the root of the nodules. मैंने आपको राइजोबियम का एक एग्जाम्पल भी बताया था. they are living in the leguminous plant, absorb atmospheric nitrogen and convert into nitrogenous compound. There are two examples who convert the atmospheric nitrogen into their compound, that is blue green alga, and second the leguminous plant, the symbiotic bacteria, they present at the root nodules of the leguminous plant. These microorganisms enrich the soil with nitrogen and increase the soil fertility. You know that the plant required nitrogen compound for enriching its fertility. Cleaning the environment, this is also an important topic. Bacteria and fungi, they break down the decomposed, dead and decaying plant and animal matter into simple inorganic substance. Sometimes dead and decaying plant and animals remaining are present in our atmosphere, and at the land area of forest, on the roads or the outside of the locality. So the bacteria and fungi, they just break down, means to decompose these complex molecules into simpler inorganic substance. These are known as decomposer. These types of microorganisms are known as decomposer. Inorganic compounds such as nitrates, phosphates and sulfates are mixed in the soil and are used by green plant during the process of photosynthesis. Thus, decomposer help to keep the environment clean by preventing the accumulation of remains and waste of dead organisms. I hope you understand all these things. If you have any queries, then you can ask it to me in Zoom class, and all of you have, this is compulsory that all of you have to present in the Zoom class, because at that live class you can ask any questions during my explanation. So all of you have to present in the Zoom class. Okay, bye bye.